Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about aims of teaching physical science. According to UNESCO's Handbook for Science, teacher aim originated from goals and objectives originated from the aims. Goal, aim and objective. Goals are statements of educational intention which are more broader than aims. Aims are general statements that provide both shape and direction onto the more specific actions designed to achieve some future product or behaviors. Aims are the starting points that suggest an ideal or inspirational vision of the good. Aims are reflected value judgments and value laden statements, and they furnish educators with guide for the educational process. The main aims of teaching physical science are to provide knowledge, to develop certain useful skills, to develop certain abilities, to develop scientific attitude, to give training in scientific method, to develop certain useful habits, to create interest in the subject, to develop the ability to appreciate the contribution of science in all fields of knowledge, to provide work for leisure, to train for better living, to prepare the students for vacation and specialization, to prepare the students to be competent citizens of the society. Aims of science education according to the position paper on teaching science 2006. The science education is aimed for the learner to know the facts and principles of science and its applications, consistent with the stage of cognitive development, acquire the skills and understand the methods of processes that lead to generate and validation of scientific knowledge, develop a historical and development perspective of science, and to enable students to view science in a continuing social enterprise. Relative science education to environment, local as well as global, and appreciate the issues at the interface of science, technology, and society. Acquire the requisite theoretical knowledge and practical technological skills to enter the world of work. Nurture the natural curiosity, aesthetic sense, and creativity in science and technology. Imbibe the values of honesty, integrity, cooperation, concern for life, and preservation of environment. And cultivate scientific temper, objectivity, skepticism, critical thinking, and freedom from fear and prejudices. Aims of learning physical sciences: knowledge and understanding of science, nurturance of the process skills, development of scientific attitude and scientific temper, nurturance of the natural curiosity, creativity and aesthetic sense, imbibing values, developing problem solving skills, and relating physical science education with natural and social environment, technology, and society. According to G.K. Shedd, goals are long term, and for achieving a particular aim, aims are specific than goals, and objectives are more specific than aims. Now we are going to discuss about objectives. An objective is a point or end view of the possible achievement in terms of what a student is able to do. When the whole educational system is directed towards the educational aims by Mohanar 2002. Objective is an end towards which is school sponsored activity is directed by Carter V. Good. Objectives help the teacher in incalculate description of the values and abilities from the students. Objectives are the learning products that the teacher hopes will result from the instruction, whether in a single lesson, a unit, or a curriculum. Objectives are helpful for selection and organization of content. Now we are going to discuss about characteristics of objectives. Objectives should describe precisely what the learner is expected to do. Objectives are outcome based. Objectives are measurable. Objectives describes student behavior. Objectives alert students to what is expected from them. Objectives allow the teachers to determine the media and materials that will facilitate the learning. Now we are going to discuss about criteria of good objectives. The objectives should be formulated keeping the needs of individual and society, nature of the subject and nature of the people. The criteria that should be kept in mind while framing, selecting the objectives are should be based on psychological principles, should be ideals of democratic education, should be specific in terms of means, ends, and time frame, should be able to bring the desired changes, should be useful to the students, should be feasible, should be in accordance with the needs, capabilities, and capacities of students. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.